I'm sure you've heard the news. Dairy farm management is a must-know for NEET. Ready for a crash course? First off, let's talk about it's all about choosing the best traits to improve productivity. Two main methods here and natural breeding is pretty straightforward. You let the animals do their thing, but it's not always efficient. That's where comes in. AI involves collecting sperm from a high-quality male and manually inserting it into a female. This method ensures better genetic traits and higher success rates. Now, for something a bit more advanced. This technique involves super-ovulating a female to produce multiple eggs. These eggs are then fertilized and the embryos are transferred to surrogate mothers. It's like having an army of high-quality calves all at once. So why is this crucial for NEET? Understanding breeding techniques can help you score higher in biology and manage a successful dairy farm. Plus, it's just plain fascinating. That's a wrap on breeding methods for dairy farm management. Stay tuned for more NEET tips and tricks.